A case most people thought was over has new life after special prosecutors say new evidence may show the Texas Attorney General committed a crime. On the campaign trail, Ken Paxton admitted he gave investment advice without a license, and that led the state securities board to fine him $1,000. But no criminal charges followed, and Paxton rode a landslide of votes into the Attorney General's office. But now the case has new life, and KXAN's Phil Prazen is here to explain why.
Shannon, the liberal watchdog group Texans for Public Justice filed this criminal complaint because they say that Paxton admitted wrongdoing but was never charged with a crime. So they filed this complaint to several counties. Travis County and Dallas County didn't take it up, but a judge in Paxton's home county of Collin County wanted the Texas Rangers to investigate.
We think it's important that Texans know whether the top cop in Texas is a criminal.
Craig McDonald with Texans for Public Justice says the Texas Rangers took up his criminal complaint and found Ken Paxton possibly committed an even greater crime. What Craig originally thought was a third-degree felony turned first-degree because the price tag went above $100,000. If convicted, first-degree securities fraud comes with a max penalty of 99 years in prison.
Special prosecutors, all prosecutors, don't take a case before a grand jury unless they think there's some fire there, not just smoke.
A spokesman for AG Paxton released this statement reminding that 3 agencies already said no criminal action should be taken. He said the 2 special prosecutors are inexperienced in prosecutions and that this is only a media political hit job in order to sway the grand jury.
So the prosecutors will present their evidence to a grand jury in the DFW area in July. That grand jury has the power to indict or charge Paxton with a crime.
And of course, we know this year lawmakers changed the way we prosecute public officials.
That's true. Instead of a centralized public integrity unit here in Travis County, the Texas Rangers will now do the investigating, and then the local district attorney will take up the case. In this specific case, the district attorney in Collin County is good friends with Paxton, so he recused himself, and that's why a district judge took up the case.
All right, Phil, thank you very much. We know this case against Attorney General Paxton could take a long time to play out. And for a little more perspective on that, the abuse of power case against Rick Perry lasted nearly 1 year before a grand jury returned an indictment last August. That case still is not scheduled to go to trial. The Attorney General, if the Attorney General was forced to step down, Governor Greg Abbott would appoint a replacement. The interim AG would finish Paxton's term, which lasts until 2018. This is not the first time a Texas Attorney General has faced legal trouble. Democrat Dan Morales was investigated for fraud over attorney's fees from the state's 1998 settlement with tobacco companies. 4 years after he left office, Morales admitted he falsified documents. He served more than 3 years in prison.